Welcome, fellow gardeners. Today, we're diving into one of the most rewarding and surprisingly simple gardening projects, growing your own delicious potatoes right in containers. Whether you have a small balcony, a patio, or just limited garden space, container gardening makes fresh, homegrown potatoes accessible to everyone. This method is perfect for urban dwellers, beginners, and anyone looking to maximize their harvest in a compact area. You'll discover how easy it is to cultivate a bountiful potato crop with just a few essential steps. Let's get started on your journey to homegrown spuds. The right container is crucial for successful potato growing. You'll need something large, as potatoes require ample space for root and tuber development. Aim for a container that holds at least 10 to 15 gallons, such as a large grow bag, a sturdy plastic bin, or even a half whiskey barrel. Ensure your chosen container has excellent drainage holes at the bottom. Potatoes hate soggy feet, and proper drainage prevents root rot and other issues. If your container lacks holes, you'll need to drill several yourself before planting. For the best results, always start with certified disease-free seed potatoes. These are specifically grown for planting and are free from common potato diseases that could devastate your crop. Avoid using grocery store potatoes, as they may be treated with sprout inhibitors or carry diseases. Before planting, you might want to chit your seed potatoes. This involves placing them in a cool, bright spot for a few weeks until small sprouts, or eyes, emerge. Chitting gives your potatoes a head start and can lead to an earlier, more robust harvest. Potatoes thrive in loose, well-draining, and nutrient-rich soil. A good potting mix is essential for container growing, as garden soil can be too heavy and compact. Avoid using dense garden soil directly in your containers. A great blend consists of equal parts high-quality potting mix, compost, and a bit of perlite or vermiculite for aeration. This combination provides the necessary nutrients, retains moisture without becoming waterlogged, and allows tubers to expand freely. Once your container and soil are ready, it's time to plant. Start by adding about 4 to 6 inches of your prepared soil mix to the bottom of your container. This initial layer provides a soft bed for your seed potatoes. Place 2 to 3 seed potatoes, sprout side up, on top of this soil layer. Space them evenly to give each plant room to grow. Then, cover the seed potatoes with another 4 to 6 inches of soil mix. Hilling, also known as earthing up, is a vital step for container-grown potatoes. As your potato plants grow, you'll gradually add more soil around their stems. This encourages the plant to produce more tubers along the buried stem. When your potato plants reach about 6 to 8 inches tall, add another layer of soil, leaving only the top few inches of foliage exposed. Repeat this process every time the plant grows another 6 to 8 inches, until the container is nearly full. This technique maximizes your yield. Consistent moisture is key for healthy potato development. Water your container potatoes regularly, especially during dry spells, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist but never waterlogged. Check the soil moisture by sticking your finger about an inch deep. Potatoes are heavy feeders, so a balanced fertilizer is beneficial. Once your plants are established and you've started hilling, you can apply a slow-release granular fertilizer or a liquid feed every few weeks. Look for a fertilizer with a balanced NPK ratio, or one slightly higher in phosphorus and potassium. While container growing can reduce some pest and disease issues, it's still wise to be vigilant. Common potato pests include Colorado potato beetles and aphids. Inspect your plants regularly for any signs of damage or insect activity. For diseases, ensure good air circulation around your plants and avoid overhead watering, which can promote fungal issues. If you spot any problems, address them promptly with organic pest control methods or by removing affected foliage. Healthy plants are more resilient. Patience is a virtue when it comes to harvesting potatoes. Your plants will typically be ready for harvest when the foliage begins to yellow and die back, usually around 70 to 120 days after planting, depending on the variety. This signals that the tubers below are maturing. For new potatoes, you can gently reach into the soil around the base of the plant and carefully pull out a few smaller tubers without disturbing the main plant. For a full harvest, wait until the foliage has completely died back. Once the foliage has died back, Carefully tip your container onto a tarp or a large surface. Gently sift through the soil to reveal your potato treasures. Be careful not to bruise them, as damaged potatoes won't store well. Allow your harvested potatoes to cure for a few days in a cool, dark, well-ventilated area. This hardens their skins and improves their storage life. After curing, store them in a cool, dark place, like a basement or pantry, away from light and extreme temperatures. Growing potatoes in containers is a wonderfully rewarding experience, offering fresh, delicious produce right from your own space. With the right container, good soil, consistent care, and a little patience, you'll be enjoying your homegrown harvest in no time. So, gather your supplies, get planting, and prepare to be amazed by the bounty you can achieve. Happy gardening, and enjoy those incredible homegrown potatoes!